If you're the kind of person who takes pride in your property, but would rather not spend your entire weekend fighting your equipment, there's a better way. Meet the Spraymate Tornado. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the Tornado delivers consistent pressure from start to finish. No pumping, no rebuilding pressure every few minutes, no drop-off as the tank runs low. Just steady, even spray from the first pass to the last. And if you're already in the DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, or Bosch ecosystem, you're set. With quick swap compatibility, the tool-only Tornado runs on the 18 and 20 volt batteries you already own. No extra chargers, no clutter or complications. Just drop in your battery and get to work. A 4-gallon tank means fewer refills and more time actually getting the job done. The adjustable nozzle lets you switch seamlessly from a fine mist to a focused stream in seconds, depending on what the task calls for. The Tornado also includes 45-degree and 80-degree fan tips, along with a 0-degree pin stream, giving you the flexibility to handle everything from broad coverage to precise spot treatment. And with its lightweight inline handle, it stays comfortable and natural in your hand, even during longer jobs. Most people don't actually hate yard work. They hate how long it takes. They hate the constant stopping and starting, and the physical strain that comes with outdated tools. The Tornado doesn't eliminate the work, it removes the friction. Because keeping up your property shouldn't cost you your whole weekend, and it definitely shouldn't feel like a second job. The Spraymate Tornado, battery-powered, quick swap compatible, consistent pressure, start to finish. Built for people who take their property and their free time seriously. Change the way you spray.